Okay guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in this video I will be breaking down the trades that we took in past 2 weeks and how we kind of perform this whole in this whole 2 weeks. And yeah man, pretty much we will discuss about that, and I will also show you the account history. I personally do take those trades that I send in the signals. All right. And by the way, you can see here this was the first community that I joined. I still have it. All right, so this was stock based community. All right, I joined it in 2018, so I still have it. It's kind of memory to me. By the way, I don't even do shit that they taught, so I'm completely doing different things right now. So yeah, guys, pretty much I have 2 members, so it doesn't mean like I want more members. Yeah, I mean, if I will get more members, of course that will motivate me to do better. Like I would be like, man, I have to send quality trades. Like these people are dependent on me. So pretty much I do it for fun because I have to share my trades only. So yeah, so we will talk on the way. So let's get started. I will give you insights of what I do, and yeah man. So first trade was on April 19th. All right, gold. Of course, actually the thing is that I also was sending signal right here, as you can see. Let me go to the top. All right, so look here, I sent it a signal right here. There was beautiful profit. All right, so I mean, I was not even having the members. All right, so it doesn't mean I mean why would I send the signal if I don't have any member? All right, so once I got one member, then I was like, all right, I have to send the trade. So then I started to share the trades. All right, so as you can see, I only have 2 members, so I'm just gonna close it. All right, so buy gold at April 19th. All right, so I already have marked the trades that I took. All right, so that way it will be easy. So this was the first trade. All right, I also will be explaining to you why I took the trade and so on. All right, so it is not like that, like I will only share my trades like like join this, join that. I will also share. I also have a couple of fucking educational video, man. You can watch that, a back testing video and things like that. All right, so first let's just based on the target. This was liquidity. All right, so target was totally based on this liquidity. All right, and this was demand right here. So price got to the demand. I like the reaction. I took a trade right here. All right, based on the lower time frame confirmations, and I targeted this liquidity to the top. All right, so that's how I planned the trade, and it was also the London session, so I was pretty confident in the move. All right, so once we got tagged in, and figures are exactly right, guys. As you can see, 73.70, it is also 73.70 in stop loss and so on. All right, make the TP to 82, but I told them to close the trade because of the liquidity area. All right, so if I show you the broker, so I think this was, yeah, I took the trade myself also. As you can see, 73.52, I gave them the better signal. All right, no, actually my entry is a little bit better. Anyways, it is just fucking 3 pip away. It doesn't even matter. All right, price still got a little bit above, so yeah, so it was a nice profit. All right, so yeah, we kind of took very good profits. As you can see, I also post the trades that I take, and meta trade, a screenshot of things like that. All right, now let's go to the next trade. It was April 20, sell gold. All right, let me explain to you why I sold gold on April 20. I think this was the trade. Yeah, exactly, this was the trade. So if you see here, there was supply. All right, supply area, price got here. I like this reaction. All right, I saw there was a couple of areas which was unfilled. As you can see, this area, this sort of area which was unfilled, so I took a trade based on that speculation. All right, this area will be filled, and I also thought like this would be the trend line liquidity. All right, traders may have bought here. They saw the move. Their stop must have been break even, so price can take their stop and then maybe can continue towards the next area, which maybe was this area or maybe this supply. All right, so these were the thoughts that was running in my mind. All right, so of course I also take a lot of confluences which I can share. I will make a separate video for that. All right, I'm not like that, I will not share. I can share that. You can comment down below. All right, because if I do share, that video will be so long. All right, it can take fucking 45 minutes. There was a lot of confluence. I don't shoot my trades randomly. All right, this was 20, and as you can see, I took a trade right here. Right, sell gold. This was risky trade, that's why I didn't send it in a signal. So let's go to the next signal. All right, so running 2%. CP was 4.2%, but we closed at 3%. All right, I'm being honest, we didn't hold the trade all the way to the CP, but we still got 3% of the move. All right, and USD JPY sell, this was a loss, I believe. No, this was a profit. We booked early here, man. My mistake. We booked so early. Shouldn't have done that. It was 5 times the risk. Beautiful trade. I don't know why I booked early, but anyways, profit is profit, my friend. So yeah, this was the trade. It was 21. Yeah, this was the trade. Now, why I took the trade? Based on this liquidity trend line liquidity. All right, this supply, I liked this reaction. All right, and I took a trade. And why my target was here? I think based on this level, my target was here. Based on this sort of wick, I was like, price can fill that, because it was never filled. As you can see, 4.3 times the risk. Maybe I marked it a little bit incorrect. Like here you can see 5 times the risk, plus 2%. Closed majority of the position at 2%. I did close at 2%. We didn't hold it all the way to the 4.5%. So yeah, man, if I close, you close. If I hold, you hold. Simple. All right, as you can see, 5 are smashed. Anyways, hey, nothing clean, guys. EJ short sell limit, it didn't got triggered. Delete the order. All right, I think this was a stop loss. Yeah, this was a stop loss, as you can see, SL. So let me show you when the trade was taken. 22, as you can see, this was a stop loss. All right, this trade was a stop loss. So let's go to the another trade. If you missed, I think this was also stop loss. It was also near this area, right? It was also near this area. So price did sell off, but didn't sold off right from this area. It got a little bit above, so no problem, part of a game. All right, so yeah, this was 2 losses that we took in a row. It was a 1-day loss. All right, so this was the week. All right, so we secured 3% on gold, and that 4% trade, we actually took 3% from that. All right, so let me mark up the calculator. 3 plus 3, we took 2% from this. All right, it is 5-hour trade, but we took 2%. It doesn't mean like we took all the way, then minus 1. All right, still made 6% of the week. All right, so yeah, this is the next week now. So we missed a gold buy by a pip right here. All right, and actually it did got in the trading view, but as you can see here in my MetaTrader, I think I have buy limit. As you can see, buy limit on gold, it never got triggered. 1543. All right, let me show you the Discord. It is also we can't really see it clearly, but anyways, just forget it. Actually, from hitting the target, got in the entry and then moved to the upside. So we kind of missed the order because it never tapped in. So we got the entry again. All right, let me explain to you how we got the entry and why I decided to enter again. All right, so I think gold buy was right here. So why I decided to enter, price broke the structure. All right, and price tapped in the demand area. All right, price tapped in the demand area. Look at this rejection. I was convinced with the rejection, so I entered based on the lower time frame model. All right, that I do explain in the mentorship, and I also have the video. You can just search the Confluence video. That is pretty much it that I use for this trade. All right, so price tagged us in and clearly shot it up. We closed right at the tip, let me show you. This is a buy. We closed at, I closed at 2093. All right, 2093, which netted in like 3% for me. Actually, my stop was 18 pips for this one. So as you can see, 3.1, and if you can see here, $600. It was beautiful, just complete, and then boom. Why it sold off, guys? You really have to understand that. Look at this area. All right, this sort of imbalance here. All right, price tapped this imbalance. I was expecting price will tap the supply, but price didn't tap that, so it just tapped the imbalance and then boom. So that's why I never keep my target at the extreme supply or demand. I just keep my target decent, like couple of pips below that. All right, so that's why, that's how we avoid this type of situation, because price really can reverse like with a couple of pips, because most of the time if there is auto block, all right, there would be inefficiency, so price can fill that inefficiency and can go. It sometimes it doesn't even tap that fucking supply or demand, all right. So that's why I've seen it multiple times. You also can back test it if you want. All right, so last but not the least, I think, yeah, this was the trade. As you can see, I also post my MetaTrader screenshot, unlike like other traders. I don't even hide my account number, bro. I mean, why would they? Nobody can hack this shit, bro. It's fucking MetaTrader. All right, so yeah, so as you can see, I posted the area which I'm looking at. All right, so sell limit on gold, actually we missed that by a couple of pips. It really melted huge. It would have easily given us 5%, but if it didn't even activate it. All right, delete the order, it never executed. As you can see, was 1.5 pip away and then just completely melted. And then again it gave a chance, us to enter, but as you can see, again I missed it by a pip. All right, and again, look at here, man, it was really painful, by the way. So no problem, look in GBP AUD buy. All right, so let's go to this pair. I think this is the last trade, I think. So GBP AUD buy was a loss right here. All right, it showed us good profit, like 1% profit, and then my rule doesn't say like to make a break even after the 1%. I made the trade to break even maybe after 2% or something like that by looking at the momentum. All right, so this trade was a loss, but then I sent the another signal to, all right, SL, as you can see. All right, I sent the another signal. I'm buying GA. All right, assuming you are the entry. All right, so I bought the GA right here. All right, I didn't really buy the GA right here, actually it was right here. It did give us the entry again. So this was a tricky buy. Why? Because in a huge selling market I bought it, so it was a tricky buy. But why I bought it, I think I saw this demand right here, this extreme demand area. All right, which was kind of trying to hold. As you can see, it was rejecting off that, so I bought it right here. Why? Because it was trying to hold, and I was like, man, sellers are not really strong right here. I don't really want to take the price to the downside, so let's just buy it. Let's just trade a pullback. Beautiful trade. This was a 5% trade, guys. 5 fucking, actually TP was 7%, but as you can see, I updated right here. All right, as you can see, I told them after gym running 2%, running 3ish%, loss made back plus more. All right, running 3.4%. If I also got this message, all right, I'm holding it at least to 5%. I also told them. All right, so running 4%, I'm thinking of closing it. Then I told let's just stick to 5%, and then we close at 5%. All right, as you can see, 5% was hit. All right, low, we are winners, don't forget. Yeah, that's just try to completely just Euro JPY shorts. I missed it, I admit it. Price got to the area, but I failed to execute. I was supposed to execute yesterday. It would have been a huge day on Euro JPY. This payout you see, that would have been doubled by Euro JPY, because that was $1,000 trade, man. Beautiful trade. We missed it. All right, I told them I was gonna enter here, but it did give multiple times to enter. All right, so as you can see, going through, just TP smashed. All right, so anyways, we didn't really enter. So today trade was beautiful, man. Beautiful banger trade, man. Amazing trade, amazing. So as you can see, GA sell. All right, so let's go to the pound AUD today. Let's just reset it. So this was the trade. All right, I sold it right at the top. Why I executed it? Based on this supply, based on this extreme supply. All right, price tapped the supply, showing the rejections. I entered the trade. My TP was 77, to be honest. I think 79 or something. Actually, I didn't even give the TP. As you can see, TP is blank. My TP was right here, as you can see, right at that area, this area, which was 7%. I didn't really hold it to 7%. I told my group to maybe close at somewhere around here, which netted us 3%. All right, running 3%. I closed everything at 3%, and I also gave the screenshot. All right, so yeah guys, this is the result for the for the week. uh yeah guys, I think let's just count it. We was 6 hour right here, and then let's just start to count from this 3 hour, I think. Yeah, plus 3. All right, minus 1 plus 4, because that GEA trade was 4%. All right, and Euro JPY, actually it was not the signal, so let's just forget it. We are not going to count that. So we are 15% up in just 20 days. I started a signal from 14th. All right, and as you can see, 14th. um, I mean, you really saw it, man. I don't really have to show it. I have only 2 members. What I'm trying to do is I want few members, all right, and I want the permanent members. That's why I will never do the lifetime promo things like that, which other traders do, because I believe my strategy works, all right. And if this can benefit to someone, of course I'm ready to do. But as you know, I have put a lot of hard work here, so most of you guys will be like, why don't you give it for free? All right, maybe I'm being selfish here, all right. I don't really want to give it for free. Why? Because man, I've put a lot of hard work. I've lost completely fucking maybe 12 to 8 challenges just trying to figure this shit out, all right. So it is not like that I'm not humble or things like that, but really it's business, man. All right, in business we benefit each other. All right, in business there are no friends. In business is just profit, man. Profit or loss, of course we share the loss, we share the profit. All right, so I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to say here. All right, I hope you are mature enough to understand the things, to grab the things. Of course other people also do. I don't know their intentions, but I completely am transparent here. All right, even if I lost the account, man, even if I lost this account, I'm happy to show it on YouTube. But I'm being very conservative here. I take only 2 to 3 trades, maybe 1 to 3 trades a week. All right, so that's how I'm kind of keeping this account for a long time. And I'm also guys kind of trying to do another challenge, so maybe I will post a video once I'm done with that. I'm expecting 1 or 2 more withdrawals, and then I will purchase that account. All right, so that's my strategy, like how I want to do it personally. A lot of people like tell me, why don't you purchase 200k? Man, I'm from India, all right, and in India it's like 198,000 rupees for the 200k challenge. It's someone's yearly salary, bro. Do you think like very someone can put this much amount on very risky market? All right, me personally, I will not do that. If you ask me, I would like to scale the accounts like 20k, 50, then 100. Then I won't be doing after the 100. I will let them to scale up by itself. Now I'm trading this account for 3 months. Actually, I was happy to show you the more history, but the thing is that actually let me show you. But the thing is that uh, let me just show you announcements. This is my Forex Fund channel, right? So I think now they are gonna open the fucking MetaTrader. Let's just close it. I'm gonna close the trading view too, because it is of no use right now. So we're gonna close it. Trading view, we don't really want it. All right, so announcements, as you can see. Wait, we ran out of crypto again. All right, I didn't really saw it. Anyways, wait, look here. We had a bug in our system, daily equity drawdown rollover. Actually, my this same account got an equity drawdown because of this fucking thing, because their system was running, I don't know, there was a fault in their system. All right, so that's why my equity was breached, and they sent it me new account. All right, and that's why I'm unable to show the 3 month history. All right, so I mean, yeah, man, so that's my reason. I would happy to show you the email also, but man, there would be the passwords and things like that, and I don't like to edit my videos. I just do it in one shot and just edit. That's all. Yeah, man, that was it. And if you want to join the mentor, and one thing more, guys, last thing, yeah, I do am promoting my shit, but I'm not afraid to do that. All right, if someone can benefit from me, man, they really can. And it's not even expensive. My shit is not even expensive, bro. If you see here, 5-day masterclass, all right? I send the breakdowns every day, what I'm looking for, all right? If you talk about GA trade, I sent it, what I'm looking for today, all right? If you talk about the gold trade, what I'm looking for today, GA update, what I'm looking for today, GA, this with this 5% trade, I gave them the breakdown, what I'm looking for today, all right? And this fucking news thing, all right? What I'm go longs, explained, crucial part. I took a longs here, man. Look here, I took a longs. I explained everything why I take what I'm looking for today, all right? Weekly session, we do a couple of things, man. So yeah, man. I don't want to be cocky, like join it, join it, join it. Maybe, yeah, man. So if you think my channel is valuable, you can subscribe it. Of course, there would be free content. You don't have to do, you don't have to join. But if you really want to support me, support the channel, or you want to know how I do the things, all right? One extra time from me, then yeah, you can approach me for the mentorship or the signals. Other than that, I think I already have posted everything on my YouTube, all right? You also can watch that. So that's all for this video, guys. See you in the next weekly breakdown or whatever is going to be the next. So see you till the next, guys.